and welcome to an unboxing and setup guide for the Gator GRV127KT 5-inch display dash and windscreen mount reverse camera kit. In this video, I will show you what comes with the Gator reverse camera kit and go through the settings and setup procedure. First thing inside the box is the product manual, then the 5-inch LCD display, the surface mount camera, the camera harness, 5.5 meters of RCA cable, monitor harness, 12-volt power cable, adhesive dash mounting bracket, a suction mount for the display, adhesive and mounting screws for the surface mount camera. Let's have a quick look at the 5-inch LCD display. Before installing, I'll go through the wiring guide. The 5-inch LCD display connects to the monitor harness. This splits off into a female DC plug and two female RCA plugs. You would connect this cable to the 12-volt accessory power in your vehicle and connect it to the female DC port on the monitor harness. The white RCA plug can be used to connect a separate input, such as a front camera, to the display. The yellow RCA plug connects to the 5.5 meter RCA lead. The other end of the 5.5 meter RCA lead connects to the camera harness. This harness splits into power that needs to be connected to the reverse lights and the plug that connects to the reverse camera. Please check the product manual for more detailed instructions on how to install this product into your vehicle. In order to have the LCD display automatically switch into reverse mode with parking guidelines when you put the car in reverse, you'll need to connect the wires on the camera harness to the reverse light of your vehicle. You can mount the reverse camera anywhere on the rear of the vehicle using the included adhesive and screws where you'll get the best view. It is recommended to mount the reverse camera with the bracket facing up, otherwise your view will be in the wrong orientation. You can also reorient the camera by unscrewing the cap and twisting the camera if it is not facing the correct way up. There are two different display mounting options available to choose from for the 5-inch display. Please refer to the included product manual for the instructions on how to attach the mounts to the display. After running the cables through the vehicle, we can then connect the LCD monitor last to the monitor harness and test the reverse camera, making sure that it appears on the LCD monitor when the car is in reverse. We are now going to run through how to operate the display using the 3 buttons on the back of the LCD. The middle button switches between the setting options. The buttons above and below adjust the settings. First is brightness, then contrast, saturation, language, mode between 16:9 and 4:3, and reset. Tapping either of the up or down buttons while on reset will reset the settings to factory default. I do recommend that you have a flick through the manual before using this product, as it will contain a lot of extra information and troubleshooting. Go to the Gator Driver Assist website for the latest manuals and software for your product. That sums up the unboxing and setup guide for the Gator GRV127KT. You can stay up to date for the latest products by subscribing to this channel and visiting our website, GatorDriverAssist.com.